Massivit 3D printing technology is the world's fastest technology enabling production of large volume parts. The printing head on Massivit 3D printers contains a dispensing unit which jets photopolymeric printing gel that is instantly cured by a 360-degree UV light system. During the 3D printing process, the gel viscosity varies to ensure both adhesion and perfect bonding with the help of UV curing. This facilitates rapid production of robust solid models and parts. Due to its high speed and the capability of the gel to cure on the fly, Massivit 3D technology enables production of hollow, sturdy models, and unlike other additive manufacturing technology, does not require additional support to be produced during the printing process. This dramatically saves time, labor, materials, and costs associated with producing and removing support structures. The 3D printing speed facilitated by Massivit 3D printing technology is groundbreaking, offering new realms in productivity. Rapid additive manufacturing means enormous benefits for a range of engineering applications and markets. Full-scale one-to-one models can be produced in a single printing session with Massivit 3D printing solutions. Large volume production presents opportunities in a wider range of markets and applications. Massivit 3D printing technology is the world leader in high-speed production of large volume parts.